Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist.
What is up, guys? TK here with TKs Garage, and major announcement coming towards the end of the video. You don't want to miss it. Now, me and Randy were trying to bid up on this BMW 535. This came up about a car or two after it. We actually met someone in the yard that was bidding on that Honda, whatever the hell it was, the pickup truck, whatever, Ridgeline. And I saw this 1.29 million mile Malibu. Now, to be honest, I did think that it might have been an error that got keyed in for mileage, but with nobody bidding on it, I figured it was worth the risk. So we ended up winning this car for $175, $355 with fees and everything out the friggin' door. You can't beat that. Now, big major shout out to my brother, my dude, Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds, because I didn't think they were going to accept my offer. They wanted $800 on a reserve, so I bounced. I had already left town, and sure than shit, as soon as I'm out of town, like 3 states away, bang, they accept the offer, and there it is. Randy went and picked it up, brought it back to the crib, and then took it down to the upcoming car dealership, AAR Auto Sales. Not bad condition. The interior was mint. We could see that from the photos. Outside of the rear bumper, aka crash bar, it's got a little bend in that. You probably could even literally just pull that out and throw a bumper cover over it. A car of this age, though, a scratch will total it if you have insurance on it. But the interior, how clean it is, it didn't smell like raw ass. It was in really, really, really good condition. And outside of some faded clear coat on the hood, this thing is a literal Copart diamond in the rough. Now, I took the chance on it because of the 1.2 million miles, because we all know GM is crazy about that. And how many cars from GM, how many cars from GM do you realistically see breaking 1 million miles, especially a 3.1 liter, I believe is what this car had, in a Malibu? No, it just... it just doesn't happen. It just doesn't happen. So Randy loaded it up on the trailer, towed it down. If you just happen to stumble upon my channel and don't know who Randy is, this is where it's at. Go check him out at Auto Auction Rebuilds. Okay, you can find him on Twitter, Instagram. I don't know if he's on Snap yet. Facebook. Go give him a like. Now, the big news here is we're doing a damn giveaway. All right, I'm thinking about not just this car, but maybe even other cars for the holiday season. If giving away a car is something that you might be interested in, you got to let me know in the comments. But you know what? I don't think this does it justice. I got to give you guys some FaceTime. What is up, guys? TK here with TK's Garage. As you can tell, we're at the bougie spot right now. Major shout out to my dude, Randy, from Auto Auction Rebuilds, for picking up this Malibu. Now, I bid on this car because they said it had 1.2 million miles. Now, anything from GM with 1.2 million miles, you might think, why would you bid on something like that? It's valuable. It would be valuable to a manufacturer, and GM would be beating on my door to buy it back. That said, I figured it could have been an error, but for $175, I thought it was worth the risk. So, come to find out, it's a hell of a car. It's in great condition. The interior is like mint. The body's in really good shape. Outside, it needed a rear bumper cover and a couple of other very small things like clear cut on the hood. This might be a car I think we do the first giveaway on. Yes, that's right, I said giveaway. If you'd be interested in that, let me know in the comment section down below. Now, according to Randy's estimation and him running codes on the car, it looks like it needs a catalytic converter. Now, that could just have been an error. It may not come back, the check engine light. But I guess the big thing is, if you're interested in this car being given away, this could go for a college student. I might even get on some Pimp My Ride shit with this car. Let me know in the comment section down below. Because it is the holiday season. I am feeling generous, and maybe I'll give away more than one. Maybe we'll give away more than one. I'm going right now to go pick up what we won out here. Now, if you don't know where I'm at and you haven't been following the channel and or Randy's channel, then I don't know what to do. I don't know how to help you. But that said, stay tuned. Typical YouTuber car coming soon. Kind of epic. Here she is sitting out here, all crispy and nice and clean. Somebody asked for close-ups and stuff of the rebuild, and I said it was done, but I literally had one other thing that needed to be done here. We're missing the washer clips, and evidently they're hard to come by at Chrysler. So if you work at Chrysler or know somebody that works at Chrysler, help your boy out. I need some. Alright, in all seriousness, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys would be interested in a couple of different car giveaways before the end of the year to close out 2019, put the comment hashtag giveaway in the comment section down below. Anyways, I want to thank you guys very much for tuning in today. Thank you guys very much for coming through, and we'll see you guys on the next one.